Due to the massive hype around NFTs, more and more people want to create NFTs themselves, so today I want to show you guys how you can turn any picture into NFT art. It's really easy and simple, so make sure to stick around for the end. If this video is helpful, make sure to like, comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. In this video, we are obviously not going to draw or design our NFTs ourselves. If you want me to make a video on that, make sure to comment down below and let me know. In this video, I am going to show you how you can turn your own photos into NFT art. You can use whatever image you want to, but if you want to sell it as an NFT, make sure it's your own photo so that you have the rights to sell them. So you can use a picture of your pet, for example, or a picture of the nature. Anything really. For this video, I'm going to find a picture on the internet to show you guys how I'm turning a photo into NFT art. So now I'm assuming you have found a photo you want to turn into an NFT. Realistically, you could just sell the photo you have taken without making any changes, but that is not going to sell, and that's why we are turning it into art. So now I'm going to find a picture I can use for this tutorial. I have found a picture of this dog, which I'm going to turn into an NFT. There is a really easy way to edit this photo into real art, which is off a website called befunky.com. This website is really good for editing pictures and making them look cool. The website is also free to use, which is great. I will leave a link for this website in the description for you guys to use. So when you are on the befunky website, you just have to sign up in order to begin editing your photos. When we are on the website, we want to go into Photo Editor. Now you can see this page where you can just drag in your photo you want to edit, so I'm just going to do that right now. Now I have my picture in the editor. So now you want to go onto the left bar and press on Artsy. From here you can see plenty of different effects you can put onto your photo. From here you should try some different effects to see what fits your photo the best. I'm just going to try a few out. I will start with Cartoonizer. As you guys can see, when I press on the filter, I will only have to wait a few seconds before it has applied. As you can see, it looks really cool. Now I will go and try some different effects under digital art. These look really good actually. So as you guys can see, you can really create some unique art using these effects on your photos, which is really cool. Now if I want to save this, I would have to buy premium in order to remove the watermark. But for this picture, I would screenshot the picture with the watermark on it and then crop it out so it's a clean image, without the befunky logo on it. I'm not encouraging you guys to do this, but I'm just going to show you for the sake of this video. So just screenshot this page and crop it so it doesn't have the logo in it. The premium version of this costs $5 a month, so it's not too bad, and you will get access to many more features as well. And you can obviously save your images in high resolution without any watermark on it. So to turn your picture into art, just play around with different effects until you find something you like. So that was pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you how you can sell the NFTs on OpenSea, which is the biggest platform for buying and selling NFTs. So the first thing you have to do is to connect a wallet to your OpenSea account. I would recommend using MetaMask as your Ethereum wallet. After you have connected your wallet, go ahead and press on Create. From here you are going to create your NFT by uploading the picture, naming it, making a description, adding it to a collection, etc. This example is a single image, so we wouldn't have to create an entire collection. So now if we scroll down a bit, we have to choose which blockchain we want our NFT to be launched on. I would recommend starting out with Polygon because it's almost free in relation to Ethereum, which is really expensive to launch your NFTs on. So just choose Polygon unless you are fine with paying high gas prices. So now you should go ahead and press create, and after a few seconds your NFT should be launched and available for people to buy. So now I'm going to launch the NFT so you guys can see how it should look. As you can see, it's now available on OpenSea. That was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe for future NFT videos. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.